Hi students, today we can study exercise 12.2 question number 7. Then what is question? A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter sustain an angle of 120 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. This is our question. And then before starting this question, some basic things you have to study. First one, if you consider one triangle, just like one triangle, then we can give name A, B, C. B is right angle. Then in here, I think that is theta, angle may be 30 or anything. And then from here, we can find out sine theta. Sine theta means perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? This is perpendicular. According to this angle only we can say this is opposite, just opposite, that will be perpendicular. So nearby that theta, this line, that is BC will be base, then longer side, that will be hypotenuse. Then sine theta means perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is sine theta. Then cos theta. Cos theta means base divided by hypotenuse. Base divided by hypotenuse. Then check it again. Sin theta, perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? That is AB. AB divided by hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse in here? AC. And then cos theta, base by hypotenuse. Base in here BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. Then how can decide this perpendicular and base means according to this theta angle. We can see another triangle A, B, C. In case we will consider angle theta in here, in this place. That time hypotenuse same, AC only hypotenuse, that will not change. Then perpendicular will be this just opposite one. Then this nearby that theta, this will be base. Check it in here, same figure, but this theta in here means AB will be perpendicular. But theta in here just upside means this BC will be perpendicular. Keep in mind. Then these two things we will use in this question. Then another thing also, sine 60. Value of sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Then value of cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. These two values also studied by heart. Already was studied in this trigonometry. Those who are not studied that chapter, we can remember just by heart these two values. That is sine 60 equal to root 3 by 2, cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. Then we will use in this question these two values. Okay, now we can start solution. What are things given? We can write that. Given, that is a radius R equal to, radius already given, that is 12 centimeter, theta. Angle also one angle given, 120 degree. 120 degree. These two things given. We can draw one figure, one circle, center is O, one chord. Name is AB. Join OA, that is radius, OB also radius. Radius how much? Radius is 12 centimeter, isn't it? OA we can write 12 centimeter. This OB also same, radius only 12 centimeter. Then just give in here C. Then draw one perpendicular line to this chord. Perpendicular means in here 90 degree. We can give this joining point is D. This is our figure. Now draw a perpendicular. The symbol is perpendicular OD. This line, okay. OD on chord AB. And it will bisect chord AB. So then if you draw one perpendicular line means this D will be correct center. AB will bisect, equally divided. Okay, then D will be correct center. What is the reason means this OA is 12 centimeter, OB also 12 centimeter, isn't it? That's why if you make one perpendicular line, surely that will bisect our chord AB. So we can write this bisect means AD equal to BD. AD equal to BD. AD and BD equal because D is correct center. Now we can see one angle also given. Angle theta is 120 degree. That is, this total angle is 120. Isn't it? Then if you bisect means this part will be 60, in here also 60. Then consider triangle AOD. Consider triangle AOD. That means this triangle AOD. Consider this triangle. We can find out. We don't know anything. This height, how much we don't know. OD we don't know how much. This AD also we don't know. We have to find out OD and in this triangle AD. This both things we have to find out. For that we'll use sine this angle, sine 60. Sine 60 equal to, what is sine? Sine means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse equal to, in here, what is perpendicular? This triangle, if you are considered, this is an angle, just opposite side, that is AD. You can write AD divided by this hypotenuse is AO. AD divided by AO. Sine 60 value already was studied before I written, that is root 3 by 2. Sine 60 equal to AD. AD means we don't know, we have to find out AD divided by AO. AO how much? That is 12 centimeter. Root 3 by 2. This 12 bring to upside, left side, that time that will be into 12 equal to AD. Is to cancel 6 times. 6 root 3 equal to AD. 6 root 3 equal to AD. In here we will get 6 root 3. This AD 6 root 3 means this BD also 6 root 3 because D is correct center. Since we need AB, total length we need AB, we can write 2 into AD. 2 into AD. In here one AD is there, this part also we can consider AD. We have written AD and BD equal. Then AB equal to 2 into AD is 6 or root 3. 2 into 6 is 12 or root 3 centimeter. Now we got AB equal to 12 root 3 centimeter. Then downside part got it. Then we need this perpendicular, that is OD we need. Find out OD. For that we'll use cos 60. Cos means what? Cos means base divided by hypotenuse. Base divided by hypotenuse. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. That one also I written before. Base means, if you consider this triangle, base is OD, nearby 60 degree, that side is base, OD. Divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse in here, AO. 1 by 2 OD divided by AO. AO how much? This 12 centimeter radius. 12. This 12 bring to left side. 1 by 2 into 12 equal to OD. So cancel 6 times. Then 6 equal to OD. We got height also. This height also we got, that is 6 centimeter. Now our question, we have to find out area of segment. Area of the segment, this part. This is our question. That is our question. We have to find out area of this part, this shaded region. How can find out? Now, area of segment. Which segment? What is the name of the segment? A, C, B, A. A, C, B, A. That is the name of our minor segment. This is a minor segment only. Then, area of sector. Name of sector. You can write minor sector also. That is minor sector. Minor sector. Area of minor sector. Name of sector is O, A, C, B, O. O, A, C, B, O. A, O, C, B, O. Minor segment minus area of triangle. In here one triangle is there. O, A, B. O, A, B. Check it again. We need this shaded region. Then first we will find out area of this sector total. This total we will find out. Area of sector. Then after we will subtract area of this triangle. Just subtract. Delete that part. This part. Then what we will get? This area of segment, isn't it? First we will find out area of sector. This much. Total we will find out. Then we will subtract this area of triangle. Then we will get the shaded region. That is our required area of segment. Equal to area of minor sector. Already was studied one formula, theta by 360 pi r square. Minus area of triangle, that is 1 by 2 base into height. 1 by 2 base into height. Equal to theta. Theta means when you consider this sector, this minor sector, theta total. How much total? That will be 60 plus 60, 120. Don't write in here 60. Okay. Theta is 120. Already you are written in starting place. That is 120, 360 into pi value. Pi how much in question? That is 3.14. 3.14 into r square. R means 12 square minus 1 by 2 into base. In this triangle, base means 12. This is AB. We got AB. AB already we are written. AB is 12 root 3. In previous step, AB already you are written, that is 12 root 3 into BH, height. Height means OD. OD is 6. Then we have to calculate, then we will get answer. You can see. Zero and zero cancel, just 3 times. Then 2 and 6, 3 times. Right? Remaining 1 by 3 into 3.14 into 12 square means 12 into 12 minus. Then multiple. 12 into 3. 12 into 3 how much will come? 12 into 3, 6, 3, 36. 36 into root 3. Root 3 value also given in question, that is 1.73. And also given in question 1.73. That value also we can apply there. Then let's do into 3 4 times. Multiple all the things. You can multiple 314 into 12. 2 into 4 8. 2 into 1 2. 2 into 3 6. 1 into 4 4. 1 into 1 1. 1 into 3 3. 8 6 7 3 into one number is there, that is 4. 4 into 8 32. 3. 4 into 6 24 plus 3 27. Remainder 2. 2 into 7 4 into 7 28. 28 plus 2 30. Remainder 3. 4 into 3 12 plus 3 15. You can write 15072. If you multiple all the number, you will get 15072. Then check it 3.14. After point, two number is there, that is 1 and 4. That means in answer also, after point we need two numbers 7 and 2. I made in here 1 point because of this 1 4. Minus this 36 into 1.73. We can do 1.73 into 36. 6 into 3 18. Remainder 1. 6 into 7 42 plus 1 43. Remainder 4. 6 into 1 6 plus 4 10. 3 into 3 9. 3 into 7 21. Remainder 2. 3 into 1 3 plus 2 5. 8 12. Remainder 1 1 plus 1 2 6. 6 2 2 8. Then in here also after point 7 and 3. Two numbers is there. Put in here. 62.28. Now we can subtract 150 minus 150.72 minus 62.28. 150 minus, when you subtract, this point should be same level. We can write 62.28. Point should be same level. Then only we can subtract. Then 2 minus 8 we can do, isn't it? Then this will be 12. 12 minus 8 4. Then 6. 6 minus 2 4. Then in here 10. 10 minus 2 8. Then remaining 4. 14. 14 minus 6 8. I will get 88.44 centimeter square. Because area means unit will be centimeter square. That is our answer.